आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In this question, if A, B and C are mutually perpendicular vectors and A vector is equal to this expression and scalar triple product of A, B and C is equal to 1, then we need to find the value of alpha vector plus beta vector plus gamma vector. These are the options. Now, first of all, by this statement we can write A, B and C are mutually perpendicular. So, A dot B is equal to B dot C is equal to C dot A, which is equal to 0 because they are perpendicular. Now writing this expression, A vector is equal to alpha A cross B plus beta B cross C plus gamma C cross A. Now what we will do is multiply both sides by A vector. We'll multiply both sides by A vector. So here we'll get A dot A, and in the RHS we'll get alpha A cross B dot A plus beta B cross C dot A plus gamma C cross A dot A vector. Now this would become mod A square. Here A cross B dot A will lead to 0. This expression becomes 0, and C cross A dot A, this will also become 0. So we are only left with beta, and A dot B cross C is scalar triple product of A, B and C. Now scalar triple product of A, B and C was given in the question. This is equal to 1. So here we finally get beta. This implies beta is equal to mod A square. This is the first equation. Now similarly, again multiplying this equation, both sides by B vector, what we'll get A dot B in the LHS, and in the RHS we'll get this expression would be 0 because A cross B dot B is 0 and B cross C dot B is also 0. So we are only left with gamma C cross A dot B. And this is again scalar triple product of A, B and C. So gamma, this is equal to 1, and A dot B, because they are mutually perpendicular, so A dot B is 0. So 0 is equal to gamma into 1. This implies gamma is 0. Mark it as second. Now again multiplying this equation by C vector, multiplying both sides by C vector, we will get A dot C in the LHS, and in the RHS what we will get, this expression will remain. This expression will turn out to be 0 because B cross C dot C is 0 and C cross A dot C is also 0. So we are only left with alpha A cross B dot C. This is again alpha into scalar triple product of A, B and C vectors, and A dot C was 0 is equal to alpha. This implies alpha is 0. This is third. Now we need to find alpha vector plus beta vector plus gamma vector. So from first, second and third, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to alpha's value 0, beta value we know, mod A square, and gamma is also 0. So the value of this expression is mod of A vectors square. So the correct option is option A.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।